Alex Koyfman claims the largest lithium discovery just happened, and one company will explode as a result. Like always, though, he won't reveal the stock unless you buy his newsletter. The good news is he left enough clues in the presentation to figure out the stock, and I reveal it here for free. Just drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate me doing this. Let's dive straight into the teaser to see what Koyfman is saying and try to uncover the stock. The teaser begins with the headline, "An Oregon State University geologist just exposed a $1.5 trillion lithium volcano." It continues, 16 million years in the making. This might just be the single most important geological discovery of our generation. Koyfman explains this discovery in these terms. So this deposit is potentially more than 10 times the size of the next largest lithium deposit in the world. Point blank. It's the single largest deposit of lithium that the world has ever laid eyes on. In fact, it's 27 times the size of all of China's known lithium reserves combined, meaning it has the power to free America and the rest of the world from its ugly reliance on Chinese lithium. In short, this remote caldera trumps pretty much any other resource opportunity on the market. Koyfman goes on to say, and the crazy thing is that almost nobody knows about this record-setting deposit. Because when an unassuming geologist from Oregon State University first published this groundbreaking geological conclusion last summer, the story was buried in a sea of more flashy political and economic headlines. And Koyfman claims geological results have scientists predicting up to 120 megatons of lithium at this remote site. Koyfman is talking about Thacker Pass, which is a large lithium deposit located in northern Nevada, USA. It is part of the McDermott caldera and is considered one of the largest known lithium reserves in the country. Although substantial, Koyfman is exaggerating the size of this lithium deposit. He claims there are 120 megatons of lithium at this site, but in reality, it contains around 13.7 megatons. Koyfman also stated that it is 27 times larger than all of China's lithium reserves, which is inaccurate. China's reserves are estimated to be around 6 to 8 megatons of lithium. This means Thacker Pass is likely about twice the size of China's reserves, which is impressive, but far from the scale Koyfman claims. Additionally, Koyfman asserted that this would be the largest lithium mine in the world, but that's incorrect as well. It is the largest in America, but there are larger mines in Bolivia and Chile. It's also important to note that lithium isn't considered a rare element. The issue with lithium isn't its rarity, rather it's the extraction process. Extracting lithium from brines or hard rock is energy-intensive and time-consuming, which constrains supply. Therefore, a large lithium deposit isn't as significant as advancements in lithium extraction technology that could make processing easier and more cost-effective. Alright, let's get back to the teaser. Koyfman starts mentioning the company that will be mining this deposit and says this about it. And this isn't some lithium startup. It's a publicly traded company with a significant head start on this lithium deposit. And right now its shares are dirt cheap. This company was already prospecting this area well before public geology surveys were released and confirmed the massive lithium deposit. And it's been quietly purchasing and developing a key sector of this caldera for the last decade. For years, market analysts looked completely past this company. It was deemed as little more than a pie-in-the-sky prospector taking shots in the dark. But we now know for certain that this firm is operating inside the most lithium-rich region in the world. This company has exclusive rights to a land area as large as Martha's Vineyard, which could hold the most lithium in this entire caldera. It's estimated to contain 19.1 million tons of lithium. At current market prices, this equates to a staggering $354 billion worth of lithium. That's big enough to satisfy global demand for more than a decade. And finally, Koyfman says this about this investment. American auto giant General Motors has poured $650 million into this little-known firm's mining operation. And like I said, this stock is trading for cheap right now, presenting you with the chance to scoop up shares for around $5. This is just one of the reasons it is absolutely critical that, if you plan to take advantage of this opportunity, you take action today. Because you will not be able to wait for this company to start pulling lithium out of the ground if you want to reap the biggest rewards. As I'm sure you know, it's early investors who stand to benefit the most from these kinds of opportunities, and this time will be no different. You will have to claim your stake before everyone else catches on to this story. You have to look out into the horizon and see what's coming. And you can rest assured that what happens next with this lithium story is going to be big, but not just because of the sheer amount of lithium, but also because of its location in the geopolitical landscape. I'm going to reveal Koyfman's lithium mining stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Alpha Picks performs the best and actually beats the market easily. If you click the link in the description, you get $50 off Alpha Picks. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this amazing deal. The stock being pitched here is Lithium Americas Corp, and the ticker is LAC. LAC is currently being traded at around $3.20 and is currently down 49% over the last year and up 10% in the last 6 months. Lithium Americas Corp is a mining company focused on developing and producing lithium, a key material in electric vehicle batteries and energy storage. The company operates 2 major projects: the Cauchari-Olaroz brine project in Argentina, in partnership with others, and the Thacker Pass clay-based lithium project in Nevada, USA. These projects aim to supply the growing demand for lithium in the clean energy and electric vehicle markets. I personally think this stock is a borderline buy, and here's why. First is strategic partnership with General Motors. Lithium Americas has secured a $625 million investment from General Motors to develop the Thacker Pass lithium mine in Nevada. This partnership not only provides substantial capital, but also aligns LAC with a major player in the electric vehicle industry, enhancing its credibility and market position. Second is significant U.S. lithium resource. Thacker Pass is the largest known lithium deposit in the United States. With the growing demand for lithium in EV batteries, this project positions LAC to become a key domestic supplier, potentially benefiting from U.S. policies favoring local production. Third is favorable government support. The U.S. Department of Energy has approved a $2.26 billion loan for the Thacker Pass project. This government backing not only provides financial support, but also underscores the project's strategic importance in the national push towards renewable energy and EV adoption. Fourth is volatile lithium market dynamics. Lithium prices have experienced significant fluctuations, with an 80% drop from 2022 peaks. However, industry analysts anticipate a rebound due to increasing EV demand, suggesting potential upside for lithium producers like LAC. And last is analyst ratings and stock volatility. LAC has received a consensus hold rating from analysts with a 12-month average price target of $5.06, indicating a potential upside from current levels. However, the stock has shown volatility, reflecting both opportunities and risks. In summary, while Lithium Americas presents promising opportunities through strategic partnerships and significant resources, potential investors should remain cautious due to market volatility and the company's current financial position. Always conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. According to Seeking Alpha, my favorite stock research tool, which you can try for free for 7 days by clicking the link in the description, I Am Gold Corp is considered a better material stock and has earned a strong buy rating from them. I Am Gold offers a more balanced and diversified portfolio compared to Lithium Americas, with established gold-producing assets across multiple jurisdictions. These assets generate steady cash flow and reduce reliance on a single project. While Lithium Americas is heavily tied to the uncertain ramp-up of its lithium projects, I Am Gold already benefits from operational mines and a robust pipeline of development projects. Furthermore, gold's status as a safe haven asset provides I Am Gold with stability and resilience in volatile markets, making it a potentially less risky investment for those seeking exposure to the mining sector. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking services, and this one performs the best. Since its inception 2 years ago, it's absolutely been crushing the market and has tripled the returns of the market in that time period. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link now and start investing the smart way.